Hi everyone. This video serves as a short tutorial for remotely attending your Lake States class. We use a combination of Zoom and a website called Canvas. Our first step will be accepting the class invite from Canvas. As you can see, I have the email on the screen here. Click on the Get Started link. This will open a new tab in your browser. We do recommend the Chrome browser. You can switch between the two or more tabs up here. So now we are on the Canvas website. We can see the class invite. Click Accept. Now, if you have had a class with us in the past and have a Canvas account, you can click here. If this is your first class with us and you don't have a Canvas account, click here. Keep in mind the email address you create your Canvas account with will need to be the same as the one you received the invite from. This next screen, our email address is already filled out. We simply select our password. Select your time zone. Click on the I agree box, then register. Now we have created our Canvas account. So this is the main page for our class. You can simply exit out of this. We have two menus here called Home and Quizzes. You can get back to either one by clicking here or here, or by clicking here on Courses and selecting your class. As you can see, I only have the one. Please read our instructions, which cover filling out your registration, which is located in Quizzes, sending your photo, and finally joining our Zoom classroom. Click here. It will once again open a new tab up here. Once it downloads, click here. This will install Zoom on your computer. Once complete, you can click Open Zoom Meetings or Join Meeting here. Put your full name here. Then click Join Meeting. You will be put into the waiting room and will be let in shortly. Click with Joining Computer Audio. So now if you move your mouse around on the screen, down here on the left you will see a mic and a webcam button. Clicking on these will either mute or unmute or start or stop your webcam. Down here we also have chat. Now throughout class we will need you to switch back and forth between the Canvas website and Zoom. The instructor will also be sharing a presentation. You'll notice the screen switch to full screen on Zoom. Now to exit full screen, you'll simply hit Escape on your keyboard. Once that is done, find Chrome on your taskbar down here and click on it. Now remember, we had a few tabs open. This particular Zoom tab we can exit out of up here. Now we are back in the Canvas website. Here under quizzes we will have some exercises and your exam at the end of class. To return to Zoom, find the Zoom button on the taskbar and click it down here. You are able to easily switch back and forth this way. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for choosing Lake States, and we'll see you in class.